When it comes to making your Pell City home more beautiful, energy efficient, and comfortable, few upgrades offer as much impact as new windows. But not all windows or installations are created equal. Homeowners in Pell City face unique climate conditions, architectural styles, and personal preferences, which is why custom window installation solutions are the ideal choice for residences in this area. Instead of settling for one-size-fits-all options, a custom window installation ensures your windows are tailored to your home's needs and your lifestyle. Here's how custom window solutions can transform your Pell City residence and why working with a professional installer is worth the investment. A perfect fit for your home. One of the biggest advantages of custom window installation is that the windows are specifically made to fit your home's exact openings. Over time, homes can shift, and standard-sized windows may not fit properly in older or uniquely built properties. Custom windows are measured to the exact dimensions of each opening, ensuring a seamless fit. This means no gaps or drafts that let in air or moisture. A clean, professional finish that enhances your home's appearance. Improved energy efficiency due to proper sealing. For Pell City homeowners, where hot summers and humid conditions are the norm, having well-fitted, airtight windows can make a noticeable difference in comfort and utility bills. Designed for your home's style. Every home in Pell City has its own personality, whether it's a classic southern ranch, a modern build, or a charming historic cottage. Standard windows often limit your options when it comes to design. Custom windows, however, allow you to choose the perfect style, material, and finish to match your home's aesthetic. You can choose from a variety of styles, such as double-hung or single-hung windows, casement or awning windows, bay or bow windows for added character, or specialty shapes for unique architectural features. By working with a custom window installer, you're able to design windows that not only improve functionality but also enhance the curb appeal and overall look of your home. Enhanced energy efficiency. Pell City's climate brings hot, muggy summers and cooler winters, which can put a strain on your HVAC system and your wallet. Custom window installation allows you to select windows with advanced energy-efficient features specifically suited to your home and the local climate. Options like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills help minimize heat transfer, reduce drafts, and keep your indoor temperature comfortable year-round. Because custom windows are made to fit your home perfectly, they also prevent air leaks, which can significantly improve energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Improved functionality and comfort. Custom windows can also be tailored to meet specific functional needs. For example, you may want windows that open easily to allow fresh air into your home, or ones that offer greater security. You might also choose impact-resistant glass for added protection during severe weather, which is a smart choice given Pell City's occasional storms. Whether you prioritize noise reduction, better ventilation, UV protection, or easy maintenance, custom solutions allow you to design windows that meet your unique needs. Professional installation you can trust. Even the best windows won't perform properly if they aren't installed correctly. That's why working with a trusted Pell City window professional is essential. Professional installers bring the experience, tools, and attention to detail needed to ensure your custom windows are installed securely, efficiently, and to the highest standards. By choosing professional custom installation, you also benefit from warranties, expert advice, and peace of mind knowing the job was done right the first time. Final thoughts. Your windows play a crucial role in your Pell City home's beauty, comfort, and efficiency. With custom window installation solutions, you can ensure your windows fit perfectly, look stunning, and deliver the performance you deserve. From improving curb appeal to lowering energy costs and enhancing your daily living experience, custom windows are a wise investment in your home's future. To explore your options, reach out to a local Pell City window installation expert who can help you design the perfect solution for your unique home.